This week's plant of the week is the swamp milkweed. Swamp milkweed is a Midwest native that does really well in the home landscape. It can take a wide range of growing conditions from wet soils to dry soils, but it really does prefer full sun for best performance. Swamp milkweed is a little bit different than our other milkweeds because it's a clump-forming milkweed, which means is we're not going to have those rhizomes and new plants popping up along the landscape. However, swamp milkweed is known to self-seed, so you should keep that in mind. Swamp milkweed really does like a 3x3 footprint in the garden, so that way it can really shine. It can grow anywhere from 3 to 5 foot tall, and it's a host plant for the monarch butterfly. And you're going to see a lot of other bees, butterflies, and beetles checking out this plant. So if you're looking for something to add a little bit of height to your landscape this summer, you might want to check out the swamp milkweed. Now we're going to turn it over for Gannon for our weather.